Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In today's top stories, we have many stories from Juba, Rumbek, Abyei, Yambu, and Wow. Before we proceed with these latest updates, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Here we begin in Juba. Gunfire erupted at Makuei checkpoint today. This is a breaking news. We begin in Juba, where brief gunfire broke out on Sunday morning at Makuei checkpoint along the Juba border. The incident happened during a funeral convoy led by the Minister of Information, Honorable Makuei. According to eyewitnesses, the convoy was escorting the body of the late Marsa Atong, wife of Bishop Nathaniel Gareng Anyet, who passed away in Juba on October 19th. Family members say one of the vehicles in the convoy had fallen behind and was stopped at the checkpoint by security personnel for an inspection. A misunderstanding then erupted between members of the National Security Service and military intelligence, leading to a short exchange of gunfire. A relative of the deceased, Ayom Samuel, told reported that one of the escort vehicles was stopped, and soon after gunshots were hit. He confirmed that Minister Makuei was served and continued traveling with the group. Witnesses reported that two soldiers at the checkpoint were injured, one critically, and no one from the minister convoy was hurt. Ayom described the event as a miscommunication rather than an attack. It was a misunderstanding, not an intended fight, he said. Journalist Makuei, who was also part of the convoy, told Radio Tamazuch that everyone, including the minister, was fine. Minister Makuei was. And he dismissed rumors that any of the ministry bodyguards were killed, saying such a claim were false. But on social media, people say that two bodyguards were killed, but Makuei say no, this is false. Effort to reach the South Sudan People Defense Forces spokesperson, Major General Lu Ray Kong, were unsuccessful at the time of reporting. Well, this latest incident highlights continuing tension between different security agencies in South Sudan. It raises concern about coordination and discipline among army personnel at road checkpoint. Many citizens have called for better communication between security organs to prevent similar incidents in the future. Let's move on to our second top story. If you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, please hit the notification bell and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Our second top story coming from Lake State, politician rejoins SPLM-IO citing stalled peace. Moving to Rumbek in Lake State, a former member of the SPLM-IO National Liberation Council, Lakmat Marial Mashot, has officially resigned from the ruling SPLM party and rejoined it SPLM-IO led by President Dr. Riek Machar. Machar said his decision followed frustration with the lack of progress and ideology in the SPLM. He announced his return to the SPLM-IO in a public statement, accusing the ruling party led by Salva Kiir Mayardit of failing to implement the revitalized peace agreement. Speaking to Radio Tamazuch, Machar said, "After I left, I realized that the SPLM was reluctant to implement the peace agreement, which is the only hope for the people of South Sudan. Machot, who served in the SPLM-IO for 9 years before defecting to the ruling party under Mayadit 2 years ago, explained that he decided to return because the opposition remained committed to peace and reform. He said that the SPLM-IO is crying for the full implementation of the peace deal, while the SPLM does not seem interested. I come back to continue pushing for peace. Machot also shared his disappointment with the ruling party under Mayadit, saying there were no meaningful political activities or direction. I come to SPLM and found nothing. There is no SPLM to talk about, no political progress, he said. He further explained that he wants to help show that SPLM-IO is not a party for one tribe, but a national movement for all South Sudanese. He believes all people should have the freedom to join any party and express their political view. SPLM officials in Lagos State were not immediately available for comment. However, political observers say Machot defection reflect ongoing frustration among politicians who believed the peace implementation has slowed down. Let's move on to our third top story. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's take a look at this top story. 11 drug dealers arrested in Abyei by the authority. In Abyei, local authorities have arrested 11 people accused of selling illegal drug. The arrest took place during an ongoing crackdown in Abyei town. James Simon, the director of the Community Protection Committee, told Radio Tamazuj that all suspects will face court. He says security forces are working together to ensure Abyei remains safe from harmful drugs like tramadol and cannabis. The operation is continuing in all towns of Abyei. Simon said, we are working hard with all forces to stop those dealing in dangerous drugs and to protect people of Abyei. And he confirmed that a senior judge from Juba is already in Abyei to handle the cases. Simon encouraged residents to help the police by reporting anyone involved in drug activities. The community must stand with us. Anyone caught with this drug will face the law. And he said, meanwhile, Abyei Minister of Information, Yohana Akol, praised the Community Protection Committee for their hard work. He said the arrests were part of the government commitment to protect young people from drug abuse. The youth are our future leader, he said. Akol said that is why we must fight against drugs and protect them by all means. The campaign against legal drug in Abyei has been ongoing. In 2024, the Abyei Municipal Council banned certain alcoholic drinks that were considered harmful to the community. The current arrest show that the local government is continuing its fight against substance abuse in the region. Let's move on to our fourth story. SPLM-IO faction dismissed 9 members in Western Equatoria. This is a breaking news coming in from Western Equatoria. In Yambio, a faction of the SPLM-IO has dismissed 9 senior members for allegedly defecting to other political parties. The order was issued by Western Equatoria Deputy Governor Justin Joseph Morana, who represent the SPLM-IO interim leadership under National Peace Building Minister Stephen Parkwall. Well, the administrative order dated October 22nd followed a 60-day grace period that expired without the member returning to the party. According to Morana, the dismissed members violated the party code of conduct and the 2018 Revitalized Peace Agreement by aligning themselves with rival group. He said waging or supporting army opposition against the movement or the state is a serious offense. Those dismissed include Yambio Mayor John Singira, Mbolo County Commissioner Ruben Amai Majong Mamur, and Nizara County Commissioner Lino Futaki Kugo. The official had been appointed during the leadership of former Governor Alfred Futuyo Karaba, who was removed earlier this year by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Futuyo is now aligned with the SPLM-IO faction loyal to first by President Dr. Riek Machar. In response, Yambio Mayor John Singira confirmed that he had already joined the ruling SPLM led by President Salva Kiir Mayardit after internal party disagreement earlier this year. I join SPLM with all my heart. What South Sudan needs is peace, unity, and love, he said. Mvolo County Commissioner Robin Aweil also said he resigned months ago. He welcomed the dismissal, saying he had already dismissed himself before the decision. The dismissal highlighted deep division inside the SPLM-IO followed Machar detention and the emergency of Stephen Parkour interim leadership. Well, since April, some SPLM-IO members have supported Cole as acting leader, while others remain loyal to Dr. Riek Machar. Political analysts say the ongoing split could affect the peace agreement implementation and the stability of the state government attempt to reach other dismissed officials were unsuccessful. Let's take a look at this heartbreaking report from this happened in Wow. This is breaking news. Eritrean businessman was killed in Wow, suspect arrested. According to this report, in Wow, police have arrested an Eritrean national accused of killing his business partner over a money dispute. The incident happened Thursday night in the High Jebel area of Wow town, Western Bargazal. The State Police Commissioner Major General Abednego Akol Ayong identified the suspect as 26-year-old Million Naidab Alai is accused of stabbing his 27-year-old partner, Tasfai Baragi, following a disagreement about a debt of $21,000. According to police report, the two men were a business partner working together in a shop. Around 10:30 p.m., they argued over the unpaid money. Witnesses say Alai took a knife and stabbed Baragi 5 times before fleeing the scene. The victim was rushed to Wow Teaching Hospital but died 10 minutes later. Police later arrested Alai early Friday morning after a brief manhunt. Commissioner Ayong told the media that investigations are ongoing. He said the case is linked to a financial dispute. The suspect claimed that his partner took $21,000 and never paid him back. So, under the Article 206 of South Sudan Penal Code, anyone found guilty of murder can face the death penalty of life imprisonment. The police have opened a criminal case and the suspect remains in custody awaiting court procedures. This tragic case has shocked the business community in Wow. Many local traders said it is a reminder of how unresolved dispute can lead to violence. Authorities have urged all business owners to resolve conflicts peacefully and to avoid taking the law into their own hands. You have been listening to Changfied, trusted source for South Sudan and regional news. Jo banling me channel linga gwakatin kono lat korodian rewika South Sudan antama bana jeto ka tugna ta kan kono nyam gorno jin be subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel so mete meshi bare gwasme be chama shube kaji ko gor kono banti dial kono lat korodian bana keling bana jeto ka lera nyam ko very important ka do dande kon linga ja ngai kon dial no rewika South Sudan mal chedten ban melin kon ma gwasme very interesting information mo gor kono de kon ling mala breaking news and walere which ke Juba chetogo no chete kurmi chetogo dor chalke Makuei checkpoint gwad mi ma cha Michael Makuei was charge de nekten ajen ban lingan walle ko ler mi bej mi shibenen binemi ka jo chito gwaz me chala no cha me sha ka link ajen chang an walle ke Sunday mi ma changa jen dang red bakkel ka Aweil gwad chalke Makuei checkpoint da drop and when mo wa take a checkpoint mi written no Minister of Information Honorable Michael Makuei was a wajin chajian ke convoy ki ke Torbieli te jo mchala no te ramichi yede jien mananke Sheikh Mushalmar Satong Sheikh Bishop Nathaniel Garang anyet wajin chi yede jien wiki Juba ka chanka wel bangman ka jan Aweil to continent wajen charger ya leke lo nanga jere wucin winimi bor ke gwada dien wajen ka wudien gwasa mi lo wuken bor ke jendien ka jom chala da family members chala do wena mo mchiga chubo wa ken kan chub ka jeni rewi ka juba wan wena mo ci turbiyele ken ci ko nyam wate turbil kel mi ci do jok turbila mo ka shek po nyam mo misal ma pawone wan wena mo mi ci do jogone kola bendian den cha jogono ci abu cha jogono turbilun baje tul no ko don tel warga mi share le ka kana wachi kana shuluk ajen gwaz dan en tok rektin gwaz mo United Condila security personnel kanetin kon tin lanne wudu mishala me Michael Makuei no wa chugu chugai ke National Security Service ki de kolaro National Security Service ken military intelligence ajen gwad dana wachi me chika tok tin ki chukori tok Ramadan en Ramin Moran chi man Ramadan chi yede jien wun chala ayum Samuel se jomo che jela do nene chire mo che tok la turbil mi chi dot jok ajen gwadan lo kor lo tok tin chala do Mr. Michael Makuei wa kana ber no ka jodan chala bat kur che tok wati ne sha barbone ne di shilu bat gwasame che wudi shale mal maker mun la ran media ba chara jeno la Michael Makuei telefon mi chejek duno che kor che to la tok no che nyo dismiss no tel ram chi lutin bat ka social media chala ro chine dang ro chi gelu gwada dana sha ne ti chop karo cha mo ka botin no ko chala do te ne chite ka bot ban Michael Makuei wangode gwad dan te tena watel jere tel bon mi chejek right now mishalat gwasme ko ci togon walle kam minister Michael Makuei ne ka kana netin kontila de ni winimi da do wachi politic wa just misunderstanding ni jen miscommunication ni jen wa cha ka jogono torbiluna tolke an torbile ci do jok ci kan shulok jen do badana tori ka je chimal makerba che jo me che jelat ano ne me mi chora la chela di radio tamazuch ano ci korche to la tok duno tele rami mo mishilu bat ci korche to la tok cha mo ne naka bot ke jodan chelat gwase me major general lure kong tele jom chelat ke jen pir pode me bat korche to ko kormidit ano bat to kan ci kan gorno baje ngach no ka jo chalat gwas me michelling wudi shal ka me pol nanga wa che order che youtube ko de Michael Makuei de ja kef ke de ja yen ka do bana chelling ka dem ko wa ko ci to de wo jeno dong te ka mi lero ko cha ju no ne me cha janget ram nan ka moni wa tawre wutin winimi wa de wo jeno dong chiran ka taran ci kan lat ke je ko ci kan lugo no ba ga tul no kan ay kon Michael Makuei de ram di dio je che de jal ka pinye cha jangach de kan warga kon gor nyo ga jen ram ngai ke ko dong da we lora ba ka be ji kwar bu lo nyin kana win mean that ji enda kwa ke jere we ke Juba so mu chine me le rod Michael Makuei de waja gwada dana tetin no ko kan ci uren bar gwada dan ci korche tokten bada kan tele reg mi ci tokaka kan ko mo ga bod ban me I think there's something there ka mu bana ling boko gwaden be ko na meni Michael Makuei de ramadit mu ngai ke janken mo de ga lo wai ke jamo the military kan National Security Service do de ka lo clash ke jamo no kan ngai ke Michael Makuei de ran information ngum ta gapte ga je so na me dio je te ka tar ban je ling ka gwasen be chana wo ka lero de dien chala do ne politician kel ka kum SSPDF wache tiai pinkir me yadi che ko kum SPLM-IO che ka kum SPLM-IO pin dakem ma char ka jo dana chalat nona wuda mo jen shale ma shot ramkel mi ko na ramkel ko kum SPLM-IO bar ka kor gwan mi ci wujen che tiai che ko kum kir me yadit barate mo kum kir me yadit go dana che wotin chela do ne ajene duoran nga jeno dong te ka mal mbaare le ken win mi ko ngai kondial mi ram ci tiai la doctor mi char ko na la de jor den baje ko accept bar gwa me chela do ne tel mi choje ka SPLM pinkir me yadit bon SPLM-IO chela do jen bonan bulmal bul gor la togre wi ka South Sudan but bon wuro mi chala me kirmi yadit ne dial jagna ko teena ka tel malat ke there's no implementation tel peace agreement mo ko implement ka jakana ko ba mal ba jalat ba tel mal chala do jen do badana lo ni joko je kamen party dung SPLM-IO pinkirma pinya dakma charno dakma char is the only leader mugora de mal der benre wi ka South Sudan ja jomo cha jalat chima chot cha right cha ka jira dio tamazu jeno nene jena chere license no SPLM pinkin bulkan gor jeno telemal mi balat chicken te ko de mal de je implement ki peace agreement cha tanga 2018 o de jala let no no ma short yen che te la ran SPLM-IO ke rundang bangman no no kan ni jiana kan ti kan ku mikir mi yadit ko ko mi che ti ay che wote ko rund tot ka kir ka SPLM pink mi yadit bat jen godan ko lori la isin no kir mi yadit che woni am tel mi la roda che ku mikir mi yadit che la no tel mi che jiktin me de la no ene de ti dong bukan mal bukan no jen ne SPLM does not seem interested. Chinen ka kwiko de kan mal de kan atany. Do know SPLM-IO it is the only main party no go de mal ke peace agreement de implement ka kaneten content gore long no de na de ka te ka mare which be the me che jo ma che jala jen do bana ko ti ay ka je che jo ma che jo kwen to kon ka Jordan Gwasme cha ne ti chi te kwa ka drak ni re wajin chal ke Abyei ala walten kon la ngene ka cham drama dole kan te ko kien walte jega long wa cha na cha ka kef no ne re kef chala ne de welkel te kwa ka drama dole ka kwi ngani wa yer ken ngani re wajin binimi James Simon gen director of the Community Protection Committee ke ra ke radio tamazu ban wona ne chine which ne gorno baje tol ka wala tonem ne de chaajik tin chawal chaajik ka ne ti welkel ne de ti ka ne tin content yar ke ngani chala do shine ka kap tramadoli kana wel shal ka cannabis ke cannabis so kan wala ti ka walde je ga long walti cha ti go ke ngani jen do badan tine kep ko je ka wo bene wuj bene ya ka dor shal ka bi of course jene che ngani ti ga je ga la to ko ngani lo chi rodin lo shwer kama kana tap kana kwang jodo to kan dial en crackdown chine la rewi ka be goni Abyei betakamal ko cha walte cha ko cham ngani chikana mo chikana lot of course there wakane dialan kon tila community ngo ngani aka ganga ko chikan walte ti tramdol chikan go bije ko kantin kon yar ka kantin kon ja ko bikene sure cha jo mo cha jo kwere witin binemi Jordan Gwasme SPLM-IO tintere which ka Western Equatoria chikan kien dangbangman chikan ka woj kwara SPLM-IO chikan 19 members chikan ka woj ko wa ken chiga ti achi ka bon to kokien ke chi ka part to kokien so kan editi ti by the way chikan ti pin Dr. Machar ti ken pin wood commercial ke Stephen Parkol of course ti la loyal ka parkol right now to ngod no nget ken parkol enono gwade dan ci parkol che odor che to bono nene che nini jen bakkel che ka to bono mu et karami mo meran SPLM-IO mu et kan che roda report baramo baje wo 60 day ti changuna la pet dangro enono ne ko october 22nd no chu name chu to ko no barai na ne ti chikala do chikarin watch tani ndikala do chigati ayore di chikaro ka parkol chitani chi woka pinkir me yadit chitani chika woka parent ko ken jen jodan en le rode en meni according to Marona chela do nena generation content chitiai ko kuma SPLM-IO chikan party chikan yar la party policy jen do banan wo keke pinya kirma yadit jene kan e ko ne chawo gwasame Yambio mayor John Singera chaja watch Mbolo County Commissioner Robin Mai Majong Mamur chaja watch ke Nzara County Commissioner Lino Futaki Kugal chaja watch kan ne to wan ko kien kan dia le sha ko wuch wa ne ti mo wo ke kan wa kan tik pin wuto mi shalgal tu yo dan la kwer ka dor shal ka me Yambio ajen do dan wo ke la par kol gore jeno en ramimo mi shalo yal ke je ke shi lo yal ke kir me yadit la ka wo ja kala jeno jene pade dung da ka machar but still wo jene tin kon til lo yal ka dar ka machar jo me jen jo dan shalat no Leren jagwa se me chetere mu chitore wika South Sudan kaneti kontila Eritrean tala do ne te ke Eritrean businessman mi chidam mando dien chejenak re wichin winimi dor shal ka wow ka jom chalat gwa se me wun mi te ka runi jandang ro baro lo ngwadbo mi shale million ni aidap jen ramadana chidam man shenak jen daman dana shenak jen te ke youtube shop ke $21,000 to go ka je kan latkin ke business kan ke tuk rewi ka South Sudan ka wow no ke ta wel mi te ke 30 pm ka tiang ke ka war wa ci ka roal ka kuy yon to gar kele mi ci gar mi jogono de yen de yo ka de ga ngun ba ce kan kana kam yo jen do dan wul ya we to ko je wan gwado mo ci da man mo ci yat ne ka di ka sakin no nan tem jen chaje kef jen dana to kwanum ko ile to beno ne ne en ram mo mi la business person ka te ram te den ka ji gor jen o de ya chol ne kuma den no brand bi jen ke bi jen mo kare cha jo mo cha je to bre wujin wen mi ka waw ajen ndana gorno de nyaka kon kele ler mi chene me chantin kon lat ko den chana kaling mi jiram jidit please gorno jin bi subscribe ka bi notification be albe jetwan ko mete ler mi ci bre gwas me be chamala ci bugaji an be ta kamal bye bye